Financial freedom is having enough cash to support the lifestyles we want for ourselves and our children. Achieving this freedom is a goal for most people, as it entails a better lifestyle even after retirement. Financial freedom ensures enough money at the back to retain your lifestyle even when you do not earn it. Stay with us, as today we'll make you aware of the luxuries you can enjoy when you are financially free. How do you become financially free? Who wouldn't want the assurance that they're equipped to deal with occasional emergency costs? Our financial growth is hindered by debts, financial emergencies, and more private compensation in fewer earnings. Becoming financially free is only possible if you pay off that customer's obligations and generate enough income so that you don't have to worry about your expenditures. Although it may not sound enjoyable, being financially responsible is essential for achieving financial freedom. You might want to go somewhere, get your mortgage paid off so you can live debt-free, give your children the best possible start in life by caring for your family. Early retirement will allow you more time to pursue your passions. Some want to put in a lot of time and effort to save for a yearly pension, while others would rather use their money to live in the moment. In general, it involves being able to make decisions that feel authentic to us. Number 9. It will help you in investing. Suppose you plan to set yourself uniquely, then you must attain financial freedom. And for this, you have to set life objectives, be they big or small, and then create a plan to accomplish those objectives. When you are financially stable, you will cover all your needs on your own and won't be a burden to others. When your savings increase, you can consult a financial advisor and invest in something. That investment will be your emergency fund and a retirement plan whose value will increase over time. Maintenance is key in this whole process. Number 8. It will give you freedom of choice. One aspect of financial freedom is that we should have the ability to make choices that are good for us and our lives. Freedom of choice means that we should rise in the ranks of our field to get jobs with bigger salaries. This means we must have a lot of money to use whenever we need it. The release of choice may be to prioritize a career that allows the person to start a family, or to work as a freelancer on projects of interest to you. Or it could also be pursuing one's passion as an artist, teaching abroad, or working for an NGO. You can make decisions that feel meaningful to you and can also build a money management style in your personality. Number 7. It will give you freedom of security. Protection means you have a stable, reliable income over the long term. It means that you have enough savings to overcome emergencies. No matter what you do, the most important thing is that you must have a feeling of security through all the financial steps you take. For rich people, safety is investing in homes and stocks, funding retirement accounts, and taking initiatives to start passive income in the form of rental properties. Having money to cope with emergencies and care for your children in difficult times is necessary. Number 6. It will give you freedom of adventure. Exploring new things and adventuring are key things that make you feel free. Whether you are traveling to explore the beauty of nature or going to different sites to kick off some new career opportunities, all this will require money. When you pursue your passions this way, you will automatically feel happier. When you're delighted, you will change your perspective about the world and the things happening around you. Financial freedom will help you to pursue a career that will allow you to go around the globe. This can be via business travel or remote working. Exploring places can also be done by keeping some savings away from your regular earnings. Number 5. It will give you a feeling of comfort. Do you know what comfort is? Comfort varies from person to person, as it has the flexibility ranging from sitting on a cozy sofa on your balcony to having some rental investments for passive income. For someone, it is being independent and making purchases that's your happy place. For others, it is having a good bank balance to make them feel good in their retirement life, in times when they won't have enough money to maintain their standard of living. Defining your comfort is a financial exercise that has nothing to do with which stage of life you're in now. It just intersects your financial goals. Number 4, it will give you freedom of time. This generation is so bound with their routines that they hardly get any time for themselves. It is also possible that someone is working hard to get to retirement at the early age of 40 or 50, and in this way, they'll have more time to enjoy with their families. If someone has no intention of earning and feeding a family, they surely will spare some time to enjoy themselves in other ways. Financial freedom is about balancing needs and wants with your money. It depends upon setting goals to achieve the space that you want. Nothing is good or bad in this life. It's just based on one's perspective about it. Number 3, it will make your house a home. When one aspires to own a home, financial freedom is key. Earning and then saving a part of it lies under financial responsibility. Once you make it a part of your routine, you definitely will be able to own a home one day. When you apply for a loan or deposit any application, your credit history is checked that whether you can pay for a house or not, and in this way, being financially stable will help you maintain a good credit score. Number 2, it will help you enjoy a debt-free life. Whatever you've done in life, what budget you've made is a separate duty. In doing all this, you must spare some amount you can spend without any guilt to please your soul, like indulging yourself in a journey to your favorite place, doing charity work, or buying yourself the latest technology. This will only be possible, however, if you are financially independent. Financial independence also allows you to take better care of your family, as you can give your children a better standard of living. Like in European countries, the average cost of raising a child is $300,000 over 17 years, and this is only for essentials. Gifts, fees, pocket money, and sports are now excluded, and this is only possible when parents have a strong financial background. Number 1, it will help you stay well. The biggest investment you can make to stay healthy is being financially secure. It is a common practice that people get anxious about earning money and ignore their health in this constant state of stress. If this situation is prolonged, it may cause major problems like hypertension and high blood pressure. So, focus on your peace of mind while looking forward to the fun you can afford in your earnings, as it will keep you fresh and active for a long time to come. So, these all are the benefits that you can enjoy with financial freedom. Tell us in the comments section if you've gotten any inspiration from all this. Also, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified when new content arrives your way. Thank you for watching.